Good morning students, it's me Sudarshan sir again. Today we'll deal with GK. Okay. Last time we missed 5th unit, so I will start with 5th unit. Okay. The world of mammals. That's what the topic we are going to see. Here different animal names are given. You have to find it belongs to what type of mammal. Okay. We'll start with the first one. Beavers, squirrels, mice, rats, porcupines belongs to what category of mammals? Down you see. They belong to rodents. Okay, option D, rodents. Second one. Lemurs, monkeys, gibbons, apes, marmosets belongs to what category? Option G, primates. Kangaroos, koala bears, opossums, wallabies. These belongs to what category? Option F. They belong to marsupials. Okay. Next. Dogs, foxes, wolves, hyenas, pandas, mongooses, all these belongs to what category? Option B. They belong to carnivorous. They are carnivorous. Next, fifth one. Giraffes, hippopotamus, okapis, camels, antelopes. They are under what category? Option D. Even-toed ungulates. Okay. Next, whales, dolphins, porpoises belongs to cetaceans. Okay. Next, seals, sea lions, walruses belongs to pinnipeds. Next one. Horses, asses, zebras, tapirs, rhinoceros belongs to option E. Odd-toed ungulates. Okay. Okay students, that's all. See, this is the difference. These are even-toed ungulates, these are odd-toed ungulates. Okay. Don't think they both are same. Okay, next unit. Okay. 6th unit and 7th unit we completed last class. So now we'll directly go for 8th unit. Okay. Sacred sites. It's nothing but religious sites. Muslim, Christian, religious sites. Okay. Here they have given the clues of the place and that names and that temple names. You have to find what is the sacred sites. It's nothing but religious sites. They have given different religious places. You have to find the name of it. Okay, they have given the clues. We have to find the name of those religious places. This Roman Catholic Church in Vatican City took more than 100 years to build. They took 100 years to build. Its dome was designed by Michelangelo. Okay, what is the name of that church? The name of the church is Saint Peter's Basilica. Saint Peter's Basilica. I will show you the answer in the next page. It is in the next page. I will show you the answer for spelling. Now just follow me. Second one. An Islamic shrine in Mecca, believed to have built by Abraham and his son Ismail. Okay. An oblong structure in the quadrangle of the Great Mosque. What is the name of this mosque? The name is option G. I will show the answer later. The name is Kaaba. 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 Okay. Third one. A Sikh temple built by Guru Arjan Dev. Built by Guru Arjan Dev in Amritsar. What is the name of it? It is Golden Temple. Since it looks like gold, it is Golden Temple. Okay, next. Fourth one. A 20th century Hindu temple in Cambodia that later became a Buddhist place of worship. Hindu temple later become a place of Buddhist place of worship. It is the largest religious monument in the world. It is the largest religious monument in the whole world. What is the name of it? Angkor Wat. Few might have heard about it. Angkor Wat. This is Angkor Wat. Okay? Okay. We'll go for the next one. Fifth one. The former place of Dalai Lama in the capital of Tibet, Lhasa. What is the name of that religious place? Answer is option B. Down. Now we can refer answer because the answer is given down. Potala Palace. Potala Palace. Okay, next one. England's most important pilgrimage destination. Most important worshipping pilgrimage destination. Okay. Okay. Pilgrimages, they will go there and worship. Pilgrimage destination. What is that? The option is H. What is that? Canterbury Cathedral. Name is Canterbury Cathedral. Okay. Next largest. Located in Yangon, Myanmar, this is considered the most sacred pagoda in Myanmar. It is said to contain the hair of Buddha. Okay? Okay. Sacred site is nothing but a religious site. The place where they go and worship. Okay? What is the name of this place? Name of the temple. What is that option? I. Swedagon Pagoda. See here. Swedagon Pagoda. Okay. Next one. The mosque in Jerusalem, one of the most sacred place for Muslim. One of the most worshipping place for Muslim. What is that? Option A. Al-Aqsa Mosque. Al-Aqsa Mosque. Okay. Finally, last one. An active volcano and a holy place for Native Americans where the power of earth spirit is believed to be strong. Where the power of earth spirit we believe to be very strong. Okay. What is the answer? Option E. Mount Shasta. Mount Shasta. Okay. Okay, students. Then one more unit is balance. We'll go for that unit. So I took 5th unit first. Then I went for 8th unit because these two unit last time I told I didn't have those pages. Now I got it, so I took 5th unit and 8th unit. Now I will move for 10th unit. Okay. So what are the units we are going through today? 5, 8, 10. These 3 units. That's all. 10th unit I will wind the class. 5, 8 and 10. Okay. Okay. National anthems. They will give the country flag and they will give the name of the country. We have to find what national anthem they used to sing. Okay. First started with India. What is the national anthem of India? Jana Gana Mana Adi. We know very well, right? Okay. Option K. For spelling, if you have any doubt, for spelling, refer down. Okay. Jana Gana Mana. Okay. Next. Second, United Kingdom. This is the flag of United Kingdom. United Kingdom, UK, which is nothing but London. What is the place? Option F. Okay, we'll go for option F. In United Kingdom, the national anthem song is God Save the Queen. That is the song. Okay. Okay. Next. Third one. For Germany. What is the national anthem? Option E. Can you see? Dutch land lied. Dutch land lied. Okay. Okay. Next one. For Mauritius, for country Mauritius, the flag is this one. The answer is option D. Motherland. Their national anthem is Motherland. It will start with Motherland. Next one. France. Option B. La Marseillaise for France. According to their language, they will have the national anthem. Next one. Sixth one. Ireland. Option C. Mu Isama. Mu on Jarom. Okay. Okay. Next one. Japan. For Japan. Seventh one. For Japan. Kimi Gaya. Kimi Gaya. Okay. Next. United States. Eighth one. United States. Answer is the Star Spangled Banner. Okay. Okay. Next. Ninth one. Estonia. For country Estonia, what is the national anthem? We'll see. Option G. Mu Isama Mu on Jarum. Mu Isama Mu on Jarum. Okay? Okay. Okay. See, one mistake I did. For Ireland, I told this answer, right? Mu Isama Mu on Jarum. No. For Ireland, the option is C. It is Ambran na Bibi Fion. Ambran na Bibi Fion. Okay, the song is like that. Ambran na Bibi Fion. For Estonia only, it is Mu Isama Mu on Jarum. Okay, okay. That is, this song is for Estonia. Option G. C and G I confused. Make sure about that, students. Okay. 10th one. Italy. For Italy, the answer is option H. Inno di Mamili. Inno di Mamili. Okay. Then last one, 11th one. Sri Lanka. For Sri Lanka, which is near to us, near to India. What is the national anthem for that? Option J. Sri Lanka Mata. Sri Lanka Mata. Okay, okay. That is the national anthem. Okay, students. That's all for today's class. 5th unit, 8th unit and 10th unit. Okay. If you have any doubt in this, please text me to my number. And make sure you take a pencil and mark all those things and take a photograph and send in the group, so that I can make sure that you have completed your text work. And also the homework is read 5, 8 and 10 units. Okay, 5th, 8th and 10th unit. Okay, students, take care. Enjoy your day. Bye.